Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Razan.
This is Celine.
Today we're gonna make Cece's favorite
chocolate ice cream.
No, we're gonna say we've cut up some bananas and we put them in the freezer for 3 hours, and now she's gonna put them in the blender.
Put them in the blender. Don't need them right now.
Come on, Cece. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Do this. Yeah.
Now I got cookies and we're going to put them in.
Yeah, 3 or 4 cookies is fine.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Now we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Okay, you can put it in, all of it in. No, it's okay, you can put all of it in. Where does honey come from, Cece? Enough.
The beehive.
So you're supposed to put 1 squirt or 2, not as much as Cece put in. It's gonna be too sweet. Okay, cover it up. And then we put the blender on.
And let me try it.
Okay, try a little bite. Just say Yummy?
To make ice cream.
You're gonna make ice cream?
Yeah.
Show me how you're gonna make ice cream. What are these, Cece?
Bananas.
So we've cut up some bananas and put them in the freezer for a few hours.
To freeze, and they're freezing.
They're freezing. Okay, put them in the blender.
And they're colder than ice cubes. They're stuck.
Help them out. Okay. Now put in the strawberries. Cut up some strawberries. These.
Blueberries. My
Do you like blueberries?
Yeah, I love them so much.
Okay. Hey, they're for the ice cream.
I still have to eat them.
Okay, and what else do we need to put inside, Cece?
Honey.
Honey. Enough. Alrighty. And now Celine's gonna blend it. Oh, look at that beautiful fruit ice cream. And now you can eat it as it is, or you can put it in the freezer for a little while and then eat it as well. Tell me, is it good? Can I try some?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Today we're making my favorite snack.
What is it?
Peanut butter cookies.
No way! Okay. Well, what do we do, Cece? We start with the peanut butter. 1 cup of peanut butter. So can you scoot all of this out in here?
All of it?
Yep, all of it.
You want this?
Yeah, with this.
All the peanut butter. Now we put
1/2 a cup of sugar, brown sugar inside. You can use brown sugar or you can use coconut sugar because they're healthier than white sugar. Okay, are you done? Now, it's the hard part. You're gonna crack the egg.
You're going to crack the egg and it's real.
Like this. Easier.
Ew.
Come on, crack it in here. Always crack the egg in a bowl because this might happen and then you'll have eggshells inside.
Eggshells, yeah.
Since we don't have any eggshells inside, you can take this and pour it over the mixture. And now you've got to combine it all together. Okay, using a small spoon, you just do this.
I use my hand.
And then you just, no, Cece, look. You just make that. Just try to make them into little balls.
Here.
Yeah. And then just put it down here. Once you're done making all the dough into balls, you need to flatten them. So don't flatten them too much. All you need to do is just press it down this much.
Like this?
Yeah. Tiny bit more. Taste them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, you take yours, I'm gonna take mine. Peanut butter cheers. You like the cheese? Yeah.
Mm.
Oh. Good?
Mm.
You like it? They're my favorite.